It's gonna be a beautiful day. Good morning, it's day 2. I'm waiting for Adam to get back. He just went to go walk Betsy and to get her boots because they've been in the car all night, so it means that they're probably going to be really cold. We got some breakfast burritos from Bonfire in Golden, so we're going to be having that this morning, but first, nice hot coffee. I'm super excited for the day. It's just going to be amazing. Oh, look, there's Adam and Tiny Dog. Funny story, last night I had a dream while I was sleeping here in the hotel that they had a posted sign at the ski resort that said, no GoPros, no cameras, no recording, no drones. And I was like, oh God, what are we gonna do for part 2 of our vlog? Because we intended to record our ski runs today. So hopefully that's not true. I'm glad it was only a dream. But the sunrise, as the sun crests over those mountains, looks amazing.
Burrito time. Looking forward to some burritos. Ooh, looks like they're ready. So as Anna mentioned earlier, we went over to Bonfire Burrito and picked up 6 burritos so we could have for breakfast for the next couple of days. What did you get, honey?
Chupacabra.
And you just like barely see her head. I got the javelina, but we'll put the ingredients right below here. Here we go. These are definitely some really delicious burritos, and they're huge too. Like you'll eat one, and you're like, I'm so stuffed now. Going from like instant hunger to instantly full.
Cause they're mega sized.
Oh yeah, they're huge.
Here's the middle, full of meat. Meat. Lots of protein for today. Yum yum. I'm gonna be full. Oh, it's spicy. I'm gonna be full today.
So last time you saw us, we were having breakfast, and now we're clearly riding the ski lift.
Right, we need to take a couple hours of work done, basically unloading videos and pictures that we took in the last day and a half. Yeah. And really getting ready wasn't that exciting, so yeah, we spared you the boredom. Pretty much, but it's about 40 degrees right now, and it is absolutely like, it's just so warm. We're just like shedding everything. Very, very warm. All the vents are open on the pants, the jacket, the helmets. I only have my face mask because it's required, but it is warm, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. We just finished our first run, and the top was pretty icy. Still pretty icy up top, yeah. Yeah. It was really quick though, it wasn't like slow or anything. And it wasn't bad, but you know, you definitely have to pay attention. Here's the options for today. You are here. We could go Abercanon, Houston Access, all the way down to the base. Or we come this way through the Houston Access and then up for Treasury all the way down to East River Express Lift. There you go. Put your sunscreen on. It's gonna be a warm one. Hi! We just jumped on the East River Express Lift. We'll do some runs on this side next. Yep. How are you feeling? Good. I really should have brought some more coffee. It's super warm right now and the snow is super mashed potatoes. But it feels really good. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's nice and soft now. Yay. All right, we are off. Don't mind me, I'm just goofing off. It's half the fun.
finished our last run, and I never thought I would say I'm glad to finish. But
so hot.
So hot and so sweaty right now. I'm looking forward to jumping in a shower.
Agreed. Tell me how excited you are. How excited are you? You so excited? Yeah? Really? You okay? I love you. Silly dog.
One of our quick and easy go-to meals at home, like when we don't know what else to make, is tuna. So we get like 3 cans of tuna, we split between Anna and myself, mayo, some celery, and some apples. It's just a quick, easy meal.
We were both so tired
I got home.
from snowboarding.
I took my clothes off and jumped in the shower. I was like, oh, it feels so nice right now.
My body is currently confused because it thinks that I've been to the beach all day. But in reality, we're on a mountain somewhere, right, Betsy? She's ignoring me on purpose. All right, lunchtime. All right, so we are in the car now, and you're probably wondering, where are you going? And we are going to scout out a location for some astro trail photography tonight.
This is the place that Eric Phillips recommended for us.
He's got a ton of photos of Crested Butte. Adam follows him on Instagram. He responded to our DM, which was really nice of him, and he gave us a couple spots to come do some night shots. The scenery here is just incredible, and I think we'll come back for some sunset pictures tomorrow too.
And astro tonight?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I just missed that.
What'd you miss?
Avalanche.
Oh my god. I didn't though.
So we think the spot's totally gonna work for the sunset tomorrow
Super excited.
and some astrophotography.
As you can see, we're back to eating pizza.
Round 2.
Yum. All right, Adam, what are we doing tonight?
We are going out to do some night photography and do some astrophotography.
Exactly. So we're gonna end the video here while we still have lighting because it's really dark outside. So everything that you see after this will hopefully be the photographs that we took on our adventure out.
Absolutely, fingers are crossed.
Thanks so much for following along today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell thingy to give you notifications whenever new vlogs come out. And Adam's gonna drop our Instagram handle at the bottom.
Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Bye!